Today is Tuesday and Jessica and Evelyn made dinner tonight. So these are the fries that just go in the oven, and they put some of that Lori seasoning salt, you can tell on there. I just have a little side of ketchup, and then Evelyn, she went ahead, well, Jessica made the bacon and Evelyn like put it all together with lettuce, tomato, well, BLTs. So we're just having BLTs with fries. She toasted my bread. And yep, we're eating on the couch today. Well, I'm eating on the couch today with Brian. The kids ate on the table. We're watching TV, which is something we never do. And I'm gonna enjoy it. So that is our dinner for Tuesday night. Today is Wednesday and I am making some chicken tostadas. I'm doing it different. So today I have the chicken boiling. Right now I'm in the middle of, you know, like shredding it. And I put a can of this salsa verde, the mild, and then I put some of this caldo de pollo, and I left some of the water that the chicken was boiling in. So I'm gonna make tostadas, super simple. You guys know that I've been doing a lot of super simples. It's hot. I haven't been running my air conditioner very much. I've been trying to keep the house a little cool. So I just don't want to make like a bunch of things and make the house hot and stuff like that. You know, I just want to obviously, you know, save some money, because when it gets really hot, then I'm definitely going to be using that air conditioner when that gets, you know, towards July and August is always like the hottest time. My tostada is all dressed up. So I put some sour cream on the bottom. This is the salsa verde chicken, some lettuce, tomato, and a lot of cheese. And I'm going to go ahead. I have these packages from, what is it? Taco Bell? My own sauce. And then we have some cantaloupe that I cut up. And I'm going to drink some Kool-Aid today. Jessica made this. I think it's, what kind of Kool-Aid is it?
Pink lemonade, or what
lemonade?
is it?
Pink lemonade and mango.
Oh, okay, so there's two different types. And that's it. So this is our dinner for Wednesday night. Today is Thursday. I'm not making spaghetti. Today, right here, I just have some Spanish rice with some sweet corn in there. And then I'm making some mole today. I'm making chicken mole. So usually I use like the glass container, but this time I just wanted to make it easy, so I'm using this one right here. And I add a little bit of sugar because I do like it a little more, you know, like sugary, like sweet. So I just have some chicken. There's different ways to make it. You can make it with, usually I make it with leg quarters, but I only had chicken breast, so I just like cut up the chicken breast, and I'm just gonna wait for it to get a little more thicker. And that's gonna be our dinner. It's just gonna be the mole with some rice today. So here's the dinner. I have the mole here. Like I said before, I usually use the leg quarters, thighs, or drumsticks, but I only had some chicken breasts on hand, so I made that with some rice. And then they're gonna have some flour tortillas. My stomach is not feeling good, so I'll show you like what my plate is going to look like. And then here's my plate. I'm just gonna have rice, and then this is like canned peaches and water. My stomach's been upset for 2 days now, so I didn't want to have any of the mole sauce because it does have a little bit of spice in it. So that's it. That will be our dinner for Thursday night. Today is Friday, finally. We have our vacation coming this weekend. So my husband just went and picked us some Domino's pizza. So we have some barbecue chicken wings. We have pepperoni and sausage. We have some pepperoni and bell peppers. And then he picked up some chocolate chip cookies and some Redbox movies. One is Father Figure with Owen Wilson.
Yeah.
Owen Wilson. And then it's the second one, To the Dog's Purpose. We love that movie, so we got the second one. And that's it. That's our dinner for Friday night. Today is Saturday, and me and Brian were gone getting stuff ready for our glamping trip. We're only taking, I think, 3 days this week to do that. So I ended up leaving this, the Stouffer's classic meat lover lasagna. Jessica said it was really good. It has pepperoni in it. So she made this in the oven with some Texas toast. And here is my plate. This is how all of our plates are looking. Really simple because I have to do some prepping today. I'm making some chorizo and egg burritos to take with us, and some like summer salad. And it is, I think I'm only doing like 5 days this week. I'm sorry. It's just because you know, we're going on our trip tomorrow. So that'll be all for this week's dinners. I know it was like all simple meals this week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.